Hello, and welcome to 80/20's Product Highlight Series. Today, we're going to take a look at the Quick Frame construction system. This framing system is a great choice for lightweight and cost-effective solutions. Now, when it comes to installing the Quick Frame, it couldn't be easier. The only tool you're going to need is a saw face mallet. The Quick Frame connector comes in a wide range of shapes and sizes, making it more versatile to suit your project's needs. Now, in this example, we've already got half of the Quick Frame connector installed. And as you can see, the profile has grooves in the inside of it that'll dig into the connector as it's installed. They give us our good, strong connection. Now from here, all we got to do is take our other half of the connector and line it up over our other profile and hammer it in with our mallet. Now you have a lightweight, secure connection. Now another great thing about Quick Frame is that it's available in single and double flanges. The single flange, you can take a 1/4 inch panel and rest it on the flange. That'll help you have a smooth, flush surface with the profile. Now, a double flange, it'll allow you to insert it inside of the flanges for a more secure hold. We also recommend using panel gasket when you're using the double flange. It'll cut down on any possible panel vibration.